Okay, so we have a problem. I am starting itong Cadillac. I'm not sure kung fuel pump again. So, just to check, nagdala ako ng extra battery. So, naka-series na ako. So, I'll try to check it out. Sana umandar. Okay? Teka. Out muna ako. We start! Pumunta, ang galing ko talaga. Baka mahina lang yung battery ko. So, ito, may start na. Ang kotse na. Okay, so, pwede. Start na! Fuck! Galing talaga yung Maverick only. So, sana may start. So, ganun pala dapat. Siguro, kailangan talaga malakas yung battery. 80 din. So, bibili na ako ng putang ng taas ng battery. Okay? 500 amps, 100 minutes. Okay? So, meron tayo dito. Yung battery ng camera ko eh. Okay, so, ganun lang pala. Woo! Fuck! Start na! Galing ko talaga! Okay guys, pakilala ko lang sa inyo isa pang aso namin. Si Bella Kang. Ayan, si Bella. Isang German short-haired pointer. Ayan. Tsaka si Chilo. Chilo. Ito anak ni Aichi ito eh. Chilo. Chilo. Hello. Wow, bait-bait naman Chilo. Si Bella Kang. Bella Kang. Bella Kang. Come on. Ito, pag ito napaanak ko. Ang laki na ito guys. Puta. Tignan niyo yan. German short-haired pointer. She's too big for a female. Oh. Laki. Medyo mataba nga lang ngayon. Pero ano, pwede na ang i-breed to. Diba, Bella, no? Bella Kang. Si Bella. Laki-laki ni Bella. Buti naman nagupitan na yung kuko mo. Ayan, ha? Okay, Bella Kang. Yan si Bella Kang. German short-haired pointer. Bella, oh. Laki ni Bella, oh. Laki niyan. Fuck. Diba? Laki ni Bella, oh. Very big dog. Yan si Chilo. Anak ni Aichi. Yan si Bella.
Tuloy
Bella.
ba Bangladesh? Ba kayo? Bangkok?
Hindi ko pa alam. Hindi ko pa alam.
Chilo.
Bella Kang. Laki ng German short-haired pointer. Hopefully, sana ma-breed na to. Tignan natin.
Ilan taon na ba ito?
Ito siguro mga 2 years old.
2 years old
Mga 2 years old. No.
Gusto niya
Yung mga,
pumasok,
ganyan ang mga ano, ganyan ang mga aso ni Richard Gomez.
Richard Gomez.
German short-haired pointer. Binili namin kay Alex to. Kay Alex Isip. Ayan. Bella, pasok na. Papasok. Chilo.
Chilo, wag
Sige na, babay na guys. Lada din nyo eh. Kala ko nandito eh.
Alam ko na nandiyan eh. Wala.
Oo nga eh. O bye Bella. Bye Chilo.
Pasok na, pasok na.
O sige, rolling. 4, 3, 2. Ayan, sige. Rolling. 4, 3, 2. Action.
The Misadventure of Maverick only dito lang sa Totoong TV only. What the?
Galing! Galing, galing, galing. Good morning guys, it's 5 a.m. Maverick only. Bringing home the Cadillac. So, ito dinadrive ko na early in the morning. Kasi nga para safe. Wala akong traffic. Kasi hindi pa natin alam how roadworthy the car is. Pero right now, it's working fine naman. Ang inan ko si Nono, iniwanan ako. Nauna pa sa akin. Well, talagang ganyan minsan. Maraming hoops. Kahit na boy mo na. Diba? Ayun, so ito stop. Okay naman. So, problema lang, di ko alam kasi ng temperature nito eh. So, nakalagay dito 9. Hopefully, sana 9 kilometers siya na itatakbo. Kanina 14. So, galing lang ako kay Boss Mike. Early in the morning, ito dala natin yung Cadillac. Medyo mainit kasi pinatay ko yung aircon eh. Kasi it's not working fine pa. Siguro banda ron, bubuksan ko na pag malapit na sa village na tayo. So, ito fucking shit. Stop pa budget naman. So, well, I'll check it out and then, you know, I'll update you once I get home. Only. Okay, so Maverick only. At home safe now. So, naka-uwi na yung Cadillac natin from Cabanatuan, then from Lubao, from Boss Mike, then from here sa village natin dito sa Ortigas. So now, ito na yung Cadillac. Nakauwi siya na safe. Good thing naman. Hindi ako tumirik. And makina is still working good. So now what we'll do is I'll have it change oil, tune up, check the brakes. You know, the usual PMS. And then, ayun. And then I'll buy another battery. Kasi naram ko lang yung battery ng Galant eh. Battery nito. Yan. So, yan. So, look at it. Pogi ba? Pogi ba? Pogi ba yung Cadillac natin, guys? Only. Well, guys, I hope you always watch the videos, you shared it. Kasi medyo, not for anything, medyo mababa yung views natin. And kung laging mababa yung views, baka hindi na ako makapag-post ng, you know, daily vlogs natin. You know, I try to, you know, entertain you guys almost every day. Pero syempre, pag wala naman masyado support, wala tayong magagawa. Baka hindi tayo makapag-post ng daily. Kaya I hope all the viewers who are watching my vlogs, I hope you support the vlog. You register, you subscribe. Kasi nga, ang dami nanonood, di naman nakasubscribe. Yung mga nakasubscribe nga, di naman nanonood. So, I don't really know ano algorithm na kailangan gawin. But I always give you like true and real-time videos. Walang edit, walang script. You know, it is what it is. You know, kung ano man yun, yun na yun. Diba? So, ito, I hope guys you like the videos, you like the car. So nakita nyo from madumi, naging malinis na, maandar. And hopefully, you know, maging lowrider to soon. Kaso we still need to change some tires. And syempre, we need to have a budget for this one. So I hope guys you enjoy the video. Yan yung mga iba natin laruan. Yan yung Camry natin. Isang Camry natin. Ito isang Crown. Ito naman yung Galant. Okay? So yung iba nandun sa loob. Right, so then again, hope you guys you enjoyed the video, like it and you share it. So then again, this has been your host, Maverick Only, and I hope guys keep on watching. Always, only. What the? Okay guys, so I'm here right now at the duty free because we're about to have our tax refund for the bag that Amber Heard bought. Okay. And we have a problem right now, so I have to ask one of this beautiful French girl, Hajar. Hi Hajar, how are you? Are you French?
Yes, I'm French. I'm Moroccan.
Oh yeah, comment allez-vous?
Sorry?
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va très bien, vous?
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Je t'aime. Bellissima. You're so pretty.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay. So what will I do now? Because I have no more time because we have to check in
Now
by 8.
you don't have time, so you have to go with in the French embassy in your country,
Oh yeah?
and you tell them that you can't do it in the airport.
Okay.
That's it.
So all I have to do to refund my...
You ask them. You can call them,
Okay.
and when you call them,
No,
you-
just go to the embassy, right?
yes, you explain the situation, and it's fine.
Yeah, and then I'll show your video
Yes.
that you helped me out.
Exactly.
And who are you working for?
Sorry.
Who are you working for right now? What's
I-
your brand?
Here, I don't have any brand. I'm in the accueil. I accompagned the guy when they come
Are you
here.
sales here? No.
Sorry?
Are you? Are
I
you?
work here.
You work here, but
But
you're
I'm
not on
not-
sales.
Exactly.
Wow. But
I'm here.
how come you're so beautiful?
Oh, thank you so much.
Huh? Why don't you join the Miss Universe pageant? You know? Do you have any Instagram, Hajar, where we can follow you, or I can like tag you once I post this video on my YouTube channel?
You can, but
Yeah?
me, I don't have any social media. I don't.
Why?
I don't have.
The
I
world
don't
has to see you. You're so bellissima.
Thank
Donna
you.
Bella. Hajar.
Thank you so much.
So if I visit, my friends again, Paris,
Yes.
would I be able to have coffee with you probably to thank you?
Oh no, I'm married.
Oh, you? Why? Why?
Oh my God, no,
Why?
I'm married.
Your husband is a very lucky guy.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah. You have kids?
No, I don't have any kids.
Oh, don't have kids
No,
anymore, so
I
that you'll be very sexy every time. Okay. Thank you, Hajar, for helping me out. Okay, so all I have to do now is go to my embassy, go to the
Exactly.
French embassy
Exactly.
in my country,
Yes.
and I'll just bring all these documents, right?
Yes.
and then I can have my tax refund.
Exactly.
Thank you, Hajar.
You're welcome.
You're so bellissima.
Thank you so much.
Only what?
Bye.